With that, you want me to take questions and comments? Yeah, Peter.
So what can we do about these extended stay death row persons?
Well, yeah, it's a complicated issue. The question is, what can we do to not have people on death row so long?
Well, we found them there now for an extended period of time. Do we convert the penalty to something else, or do they actually take it forward, or what do we do?
Yeah, so the appellate process is long and lengthy and can be delayed by either side, and often is delayed years and years. There's a gentleman I'm working on his death row case that was convicted of a crime, convicted of capital murder under the law of parties in 1995. He's still on death row today, and his case is one I also believe he should not be on death row. He was the getaway driver for what was supposed to be a robbery of a convenience store, and they were going to go in the back door and take the safe. He was waiting outside in the car. Well, he did not know that the guy that went in had a gun on him, and the robbery went wrong, and he shot and killed this convenience store clerk, and they were both convicted of capital murder and sentenced to death. The guy that actually shot the guy was executed 15 years ago, and Jeff Wood is still on death row. For you lawyers in the room, Tom, you know this. You know, in order to be convicted of a crime, you've got to, yes, do the act, but you've also got to have the requisite mental state, the mens rea, as they call it. And Jeff Wood certainly committed a crime, but did he commit a crime worthy of capital punishment? I don't think so. So to answer the question, the reason that's taken so long is because he's appealing, and because the local district attorney in Kerr County actually has come out and said, in order for there to be an execution date set, the local DA has to request the state to perform the execution. And the local DA in that case has said, I'm not going to request that because I don't think he needs to be executed. So he's just going to sit there.
But we need to change that to alter that status to something.
Yeah.
How do we do that? How does that get?
Man, that's a loaded question. We need to look at the appellate process, look for ways to get guys like this new trials, look for DA. I think the DA should have the ability in that case to revert the sentence to life in prison. The judge here would know more about that than I would, but all solutions are on the table. Because I think it's bordering on cruel and unusual punishment.
Yeah, that's acceptable.
Yeah.
That's totally acceptable.
Yeah.